Hey, Eagle Run 23 here. We are back working on the workbench here, and we've got some lights to install. Now I have a better option for lights that's coming, but I don't think it's going to be here for a while, and we already have these, so let's go ahead and use them. So we're just going to double side sticky tape these dudes on there, and that should be an okay option for now. Let's lay out. This is just 3M, nothing special. It shouldn't be too hard to get off, because this is not going to be what we want long term. All right, that was pretty easy. Do the other one here and then we can see. Probably don't need this much. These things are not that heavy. So this one is going to be, let me change you around here where you can see. This is the one that plugs into the other one. I think I want it pretty far back. Oh, it's going to be like right in my eyes. Now let's try it. Oh, that stuck really well. Okay. These cords are gonna be ugly. I'm trying to make this nice, guys, but those cords are gonna be ugly. There might not be much I can do about it. Okay, we'll try that. We're coming out here in a couple days and those things will be falling off. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's a whole lot better. I don't like that I can see it from my line of sight. I definitely hope my other ones are able to tuck up quite a bit better. Just hope these things don't fall down on me. Okay. All right, well, let's roll with that for now. That will be good. Okay, we've got all 3 sections up, and I've emptied out this shelf right here. So we were able to get all of that spray paint and stuff up there. And then the main reason why I had to choose, ooh, that one's a little sticky. So the main reason why I had to choose these cabinets is because of this. And they clear it just fine, which is perfect. And that's how we even came to these cabinets, because they are really shallow. I wish I had room for something bigger, but I'll get those decals off up there, and they'll just be black. And then as of right now, these open with the key. So it's almost like you have to leave the key in there. But I'm thinking that there's got to be some sort of way I can do a magnet there, and then just replace this with a knob, and then I won't have to lock them. These aren't really security anyway, so the key doesn't really help that much, because it's not like I don't know, it's not like a security cabinet, so I don't even know why they have a key, but that's actually how they latch as well, which is, I don't know, mildly annoying, but I think we can figure out a way to do a magnet where they'll snap close and then pop open. So, yeah, all right, looking good.